What if I told you there is a place where you can come face to face with giant dinosaurs and dive into Texas history without spending a single cent? Today, we're checking out the Texas Through Time Museum, a seriously underrated fossil museum tucked away in the charming downtown square of Hillsboro, Texas. First of all, the building alone is worth a visit. It's inside historic Grimes Garage, built in 1906 and was once nicknamed the most famous garage in the world. These days it doesn't house cars, but fossils that are millions of years old. You walk in and instantly feel the weight of history around you, and the best part, entry is completely free. Inside, it's all about fossils from Texas and nearby states. Dinosaurs, prehistoric marine life, all sorts of ancient creatures that once roamed this land. One of the highlights? A fossil dig pit. Kids get to grab tools and dig up replica dinosaur skeletons, having super fun, and it's surprisingly educational. There's also a very clever scavenger hunt that has kids searching the exhibits for certain fossils. It gets them to slow down, look closer, and actually learn something while they're at it. If you enjoyed tagging along with Travel with the Hales, hit that like button and drop us a comment, and subscribe for more of our off the beaten path finds. And let us know, what is the coolest hidden museum you discovered on your travels? Thank you for watching Travel with the Hales. And until next time, happy travels!